Hi, my name is Mrs. Overish, and I'm so glad you're here today. Today, we're going to be comparing numbers. We're going to compare numbers all the way to 20 today. When we compare numbers, we can use the actual number in number form, or we can use it in picture form. We can also compare numbers using counters or different objects that we have. Today, we're going to be using little bears. When we compare numbers, we can use different symbols to show the numbers that are bigger or smaller. Sometimes the numbers might even be exactly the same. Let's go ahead and get started. When we compare numbers, we can use 3 different symbols. The symbols that we're going to be using today is the less than sign, the equal to sign, and the greater than sign. You can see that our different signs, they kind of look like alligator mouths. The reason why we make them look like alligator mouths is because we know our alligator wants to eat the bigger number. Let me show you what I mean. If I have my bears, and I have some bears on this side, and some bears on this side, let's count them up and see. On this side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on this side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see that I have more bears on this side. There are 10 bears. That is 2 more than 8. So my alligator wants to eat the bigger number because he's really hungry. So I'm going to use the symbol that opens up towards the 10. So when I read it like a phrase, I can say 8 is less than 10. Let's try another one together. Can you help me count the bears? On this side, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On this side, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Which side has more bears? Do you see more bears on this side, or do you see more bears on this side? We see more bears on this side. 8 is bigger than 4. I want to make sure my alligator eats the bigger number. So I'm going to pull the symbol where its mouth is opening towards the bigger number. Can you see which alligator we're going to use? That's right, I'm going to use this one right here in the middle. So when I read it, I see that 8 bears is greater than 4 bears. Nice job. Let's try another one. Can you help me count the bears? 1, 2, 3. How many bears are on this side? 1, 2, 3. Which side is bigger? There's 3 bears over here and 3 bears over here. It looks exactly the same to me. They both have 3 bears. So what symbol am I going to use? Which alligator should I pick? I'm going to pick the one that looks like an equal sign. Because they're the same number, we can use an equal sign in the middle to show that they're exactly the same. So when I read it, it says 3 is equal to 3. Nice job. Let's try one more, and then I'm going to have you try it on your own. Let's count the bears together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 11 bears on this side and 9 bears on this side. Which side has more bears? Which alligator am I going to choose? He wants to eat the bigger number. So which number is bigger, 11 or 9? I see more bears over here, so I know that 11 is the bigger number. Can you read the sentence with me? 11 is greater than 9. Let's read it one more time together. 11 is greater than 9. Nice job. Can you have someone help you get a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon or something that you can draw with? I have a piece of paper and a blue marker. You're going to ask that same adult if they can help you fold the paper right down the middle. I'm going to fold it in half and then open my paper back up. We're going to draw 2 different numbers, one on this side and one on this side, and we'll practice drawing the correct symbol in the middle to compare them. On the first side, I want you to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you draw the 8 circles on one side, on the other side, I want you to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. On one side we have 8 circles, and on one side we have 3 circles. Which side has more circles? Which number is bigger, 8 or 3? That's right, 8 is our bigger number. So I'm going to draw the symbol that opens up towards the 8. We want our alligator to eat our bigger number. We can draw our symbol. It's like a sideways V. So if you turn your paper and you draw a V and then you turn it back, it's opening up to the correct side. So down and over. 8 is greater than 3. Nice job. Today we compared numbers all the way to 20. We used our less than sign, the equal to sign, and our greater than sign to compare our different objects. We were able to compare numbers from 1 to 20. We now know that 4 is less than 8. We were able to compare all the different numbers, and I hope that you were able to do the activity at home. Next time you're looking at 2 numbers, can you tell if it's less than, greater than, or equal to? Thank you so much for learning with me today. My name is Mrs. Overish.